we'll be collecting like terms here. So we're going to look for all the negatives first. Same signs. We have -1 and -2. These are same signs, so these can be added. So 1 and 2 added together will give you a -3. Here we have left over a +3 and a +4. Those can be added together. Same signs add, and that'll give you a +7. Okay, now we have different signs, -3 and +7. Different signs subtract. So when we subtract 3 and 7, we're going to get a 4. And the bigger sign for these will be the 7, which is positive. So the final answer will be a +4. Next, same signs will be -1, -3, and -4. We're going to add those together. So same signs add. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. So this will be an 8 that is negative, or -8. What's left over is a +2, so we'll put the +2 next to it. And so now we have different signs, a -8 and a +2. Well, different signs subtract. So we're going to take 2 from 8 will leave us with 6. Now the bigger sign always wins, so that means the negative on the 8 will win. So the final answer will be a -6. Okay, next, same signs add. We have a -5, -1, and a -2. We're going to add those same signs together. The 5 and the 1 make 6, plus 2 more make 8. So this is -8. What's left over are positives. So these are same signs. So this is going to be add up to a 7. 3 and 4 add up to 7. So this is a +7. Now these two are different signs. -8 and +7 are different. So they're going to subtract. So 7 from 8 leaves 1. And the bigger sign always wins. Therefore, the negative from the 8 will win, and we'll get a -1. Next, we have same signs will be the -2 and the -5. So same signs add, and so -2 and -5 will add up to a -7. The positives or same signs are 3 and 7. So these will add up to a +10. Now these are different signs. -7 and +10 are different signs, so these will subtract. So 7 from 10 leaves 3. Now bigger sign always wins, and the bigger sign comes from the 10. So this will be a +3. So we won't write a plus in front. Let's assume positive. Here, we're going to, same signs add. We have a -3, a -5, and -7. Those are all same signs. So when I add these, I'll get 3 and 5 add up to 8, and 8 to 7 gives you 15. So -3, -5, and -7 will give us -15. Now what's left over is the +2 up front, so we'll put a +2 here. So now we have different signs, a -15 and a +2. So different signs subtract. So 15 take away 2 leaves 13, and the bigger sign always wins. So the bigger sign is right here on the 15. So we have a -13. Okay, same signs will be -2 and -5. When we add the -2 and the -5, we're going to get a -7. Now when we add our positives, because they're same signs, +5, +3, and +7, we'll get, let's see, 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. So we're going to get a +15. Now, different signs subtract, because this is a -7 and a +15. So we're going to subtract those, and that will give us 8. And the bigger sign always wins. So the 15 has a positive. We're going to use the positive for the answer. So this will be a +8. And we're finished.